This is a Froe. Why should you have this cool old tool? Well, it's for making continuous grains so you can make strong pieces. Sometimes when a piece is curved and you saw it, the grain runs out one side or the other, and then when you go to do something like I was there bending it, it'll crack. So what you use is this Froe, which is basically just a big heavy metal blade mounted onto a handle at 90 degrees that you can pry on and not worry about it breaking. You could make one of these yourself. This I found at a antique store. So if you look there, I just had equal mass on either side of the blade, split perfectly with the piece kind of jammed in between these two dowels in my brake. Here I've got unequal mass because if you look at the piece in cross section, it's a triangle, so the top would be a lot less mass, and there goes the grain running out. So didn't run with the grain there, but I knew what I was up to here, so getting rid of some extra that I broke off with the wedges earlier. But there, see, I've got equal mass. So if the blade is running down the center of the piece, it'll actually follow the grain really, really well if you're careful. And you can see I've got a couple grains running out, but that actually worked really well. It also works really well on small stuff. That's cherry, this is maple, this is ash. You can split, kindling with this thing. You can make boards. You can split long steam bendable parts like parts for Windsor chairs and stuff. It's just a big metal blade that isn't that sharp but has a good bevel on it, and you need a maul to drive it. That was a beetle I'm using here, but you can also use a smaller maul like I show in the picture at the end. And you can get fairly delicate with this tool as long as you kind of obey these rules with having equal mass on either side of the blade, or close to it anyway. It'll split straight, especially with wood like this. This is ash, so it wants to split straight in the first place. As you can see, you can use it to kind of debark as well. It's a very handy tool. That's the Froe. You should get one.